Welcome to the fascinating world of antimatter. What is antimatter? Like matter, matter is made up of particles. Similarly, antimatter is also made up of particles, but with opposite charges. Yes, charges are opposite. So, electron. This is matter and it has negative charge. So, for electron, there is antimatter counterpart known as positron and it has positive charge. Amount is same, but the sign is opposite. For electron it is negative charge, for positron it is positive charge. Amount of charge is same, okay. Means amount of charge for both the particles are same. Anyway, so for electron, positron is there. Again for proton, antiproton is there. For neutron, antineutron is there. So, antimatter is also made up of particles. Now, if you talk about origin of antimatter, then actually during the Big Bang, antimatter was created alongside matter during the Big Bang. And in theory, means according to the theory, both of them should have annihilated each other. Assuming that the amounts of both the matter and antimatter were same. Okay, so assuming that thing, scientists say like this: they should have annihilated each other, leaving no universe behind. But today what we can see? We can see matter around us. And if you talk about antimatter, then it is almost zero. Almost zero. So why this happens? Why this happens? And this is considered as one of the greatest mysteries in physics. Why our universe is matter dominated, not antimatter? Though according to the theory, during the Big Bang, the creation of both matter and antimatter was same. Means amounts of creation. Okay. Anyway, so this is considered as one of the greatest mysteries in physics. Then if you talk about properties of antimatter, then properties of antimatter and properties of matter are same. They behave similarly. Antimatter behaves similarly as matter. But charges are opposite. Okay, charges are opposite. That is the difference. But if you talk about how they behave, how antimatter behave, and one more thing, when antimatter comes in contact with its matter counterpart, when any antimatter comes in contact with its matter counterpart, then annihilation occurs. And there you will get a burst of energy. Okay. So this is the difference between matter and antimatter. And if you separately consider the properties of antimatter, then it is same as matter. Applications, is there any application or it is just theory? No, this is not just theory. Applications are there. Already, positron, this is known to you, positively charged electron. Okay, this is called positron, and positron is used in PET scans. Okay, in PET scans means a medical imaging technique. So positrons are already in use. Okay, and so this is the use of antimatter. Okay, and one more thing, producing antimatter is very difficult and is very expensive. This is one challenge, very difficult and very expensive. According to the scientists, just to produce 1 gram of antimatter would cost billions of dollars. Just 1 gram, for 1 gram, billions of dollars. It is so expensive. And technology involved is very difficult. I think you have such idea. And next challenge is what? Next challenge is storing this antimatter is very difficult. It is challenging because whenever antimatter comes in contact with matter, annihilation occurs. That's why storing antimatter is quite challenging. So these are the difficulties associated with antimatter. But antimatter cannot be considered as just the mirror image of our universe. We should consider this antimatter as a doorway to the unknown. Because according to the scientists, if we unlock the secrets of antimatter, then we would be able to unlock the secrets of dark matter as well as dark energy. Okay. We do not know each and everything about antimatter till now. Research is going on in this field, and yes, antimatters may be necessary. And today, actually, if you talk about today, then today's scientists dream of using antimatter. Yes, today's scientists dream of using antimatter as a fuel for interstellar travel. Yes, scientists are planning like this. Interstellar travel means star to star travel. Traveling from one star to another. So our star is CERN, means from our solar system to another solar system or another star. Okay, like that. And that is known as interstellar travel. And in that case, much fuel, huge fuel will be required for fueling the spacecraft. And for that purpose, scientists are planning or dreaming of using antimatter as the fuel. Okay, so that means antimatter is not something which is just studied in books or tested in labs. Okay, many things can be achieved by using antimatter. This is the hope of the scientists. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, antimatter. Okay, and so it is more than the mirror image of our universe. Okay, anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.